Hey gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brianna. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So summer is here, so you guys know it's curly hair season for most. For me, I'm gonna wear curly hair all year round, okay? But for some, this is the season that the girls pull out the curly hair. So of course, I'm pulling out my curly hair and showing you guys the most easiest, simplified, quick weave you can pick up, okay? I am wearing a half wig from Posh Cosmetics in Russian Curly, 20 inches. And when I tell you I did my biggest one with this, adding this to my website, I started wearing half wigs last year because they were all over the internet. TikTok, Threads, YouTube Shorts, Facebook, Reels, Instagram, everywhere, and I couldn't escape it. So why not hop on the trend? And I struggle with hopping on trends, but this one I did not struggle with. It was a breeze because it was simplified. And you guys know me, I am not a glue girl. I don't play with that arts and crafts when it comes to my head. I'm not gluing nothing on my forehead. I'm not gluing nothing to my scalp because you guys know that is not healthy. And one thing about my brand, yes, it's cute to change, flip, and dip our hair, but at the end of the day, we're still taking care of our natural hair. We still have a natural hair routine, okay? So I am starting off with prepping my scalp, prepping my hair to be on vacation under my wig, okay? I am locking it in with Protein by BTZ and a hair cream from The Doe, and I also use the Base Gel 808 from The Doe. I literally love this brand, not because of the aesthetic, not because it's a black-owned brand, but the ingredients, how my hair performs when I use this product. And you guys, you would think when you come into my office, you would think I'm sponsored. You would think that they sent me a PR package. No, Bookie, I created my own PR package because this brand is elite. It's for us, it's by us, and our hair loves it. My hair drinks it up. She says thank you every time I put it in my hair, okay? So instead of me doing a braid down, I'm going to do like a flat twist. And as you can see, I'm pulling and twisting. I'm not tugging. I'm not pulling very hard. I'm just locking it in so that moisture can, stay in place, stay put, and don't go nowhere. Okay, so I am twisting, and I'm going to pin it up with a bobby pin, and then I'm going to put my wig cap on top. And that's how you prepare your hair for vacation. That's exactly how you do it. Don't go and put a wig on top of nothing that is dirty, that is dry, that is hydrated. Girl, that's like being in a hot box with no water on a Texas summer day. Not in June, but in August. Okay, no, we're not doing that. Absolutely not. We're going to moisturize our hair, and then I'm going to go in and lock everything in with the oil. You got to lock it in, girl. Lock it in with the oil. I'm using Tegan tea tree oil, and I'm obsessed because I'm a flaky girl. Sometimes I need backup. Sometimes I need reinforcement, and Tegan is going to come through every single time. So I'm just, putting it throughout my hair, and there we go. We're going to put that on top of our head, and now we're ready for the inches. We're ready for the tresses. We are ready. Okay? So yes, I'm putting that on. And now I'm going to go in with the star of the show. The star, girl. She is glorious. She is everything. She deserves to be in everybody's house, okay? And I'm not even just saying that. Like, even if you don't want to buy a wig from me, girl, get you some bundles and create it yourself. Or if you're not, a DIY girl, you can come to me and I will fix it for you. Let me send your hair appointment in the mail because hair mail is the best mail, okay? So look at how easy that was. And I'm going to lock that in with the pins right there. Lock in. Bow. She ain't going nowhere. And then I have extra security, because I have hair PTSD, I put a drawstring in the back for the girls. The girls. Yeah, I did that for you guys. I did that for us. And we're just going to tighten that up. And it's so easy. It's like a little 1, 2, 3. It's like a fitted cap for bad bitches. You know? So I lock that in, tied that up, hide her in the back. Yeah. And now we're ready. We're ready to rock the fuck out. We're ready. We are ready. Now I'm going to untwist my little hairs. I'm just making sure that, you know, it's secure. She's in place. She's ready for the day. That's all I'm doing right here. And admiring how iconic I am for that. Yes. Thank you. Thank you very much. And now I'm going to untwist. Still admiring. You know, I ate that up. I had to take time to really recognize that. So all the oil that is on my hands, I'm going to untwist with the Tegan oil, just the remaining oils on my hands. I'm not getting no new oil, just whatever's on my hands, I'm going to untwist it, and it's going to keep that pattern the way it is. So yes, everybody deserves a half wig. The girls are going crazy on Instagram about it. I'm getting a lot of DMs, and yes, they're available. I have many textures, and yes, I am ready when you are. Girl, no pressure, but you definitely deserve this before the summer. Because look at that, half up, half down. Real cute. No lumps, no bumps. Really, really cute. Yeah. To the side. You know, show the features God, you know, placed. You know, show them the cheekbones. You know, show them the lashes, show them the natural brow, show them your skincare routine. Okay? Yes, ma'am. Absolutely ate that up. Now we're going to go in with the gel to do my baby hairs. I'm a baby hair girl. I have real baby hairs. I can't hide them. Even when I gel them in the back, they find their way forward. They're like, girl, stop playing and don't forget about us. So I'm going to wear baby hair until I can't no more. Fight me. I love baby hair. Yeah, love baby hair. It's my favorite. It's my favorite finishing piece to my hair. And yeah, I'm just doing that, whipping and dipping, flipping and swooping and duping. And there you have it, girl. Quick weave, half wig. I'm obsessed. I'm literally obsessed. The way it blends, the way it's just so free, it's so lightweight on my hair. And I just love that I can still maintenance my natural hair. And one thing about me, at my big old age, at 33, I cannot sleep in hair. I don't know if I just got used to not being in extensions, but I'm just in this entire journey. Like when I first started wearing wigs, they were still glueless, but I would still use hairspray to keep it on my forehead, and immediately that didn't last long. That did not last long at all. And I'm just not the girl that can sleep in extensions. Are you like that? Let me know below if you're like that. But that wraps it up. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And if you made it at the end, thank you so much. And you know, I hope this motivates you to keep your hair done. It doesn't take much. One investment and you can keep it cute. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.